In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a personal blog in Notion in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through the steps one by one, making sure to cover every detail you need to get your blog up and running. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by logging into Notion. If you haven't already signed up, it's quick and easy to create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Notion dashboard, which is where everything begins. Next, you'll want to create a new page for your blog. From the dashboard, navigate to the sidebar and click on Add a Page. This is where you'll start building the structure of your blog. You have the choice to start from scratch if you're feeling creative, or use one of Notion's templates to give you a jump start. Templates can be a real time saver while also giving your blog a professional look. Now, something that can really enhance your blog's organization is creating a database within Notion. Consider setting this up for managing your blog posts. When you create a database, you can define different properties for each post, such as date, tags, status, and category. This setup makes it easier to filter and organize content based on these attributes, helping you maintain a clean and efficient blog layout. With the database in place, each of your blog posts can exist as separate Notion pages within this database, or as standalone pages if that suits your style better. This allows you to use Notion's many features to their full extent, enriching your posts with text, images, and embeds. Don't forget to add links, checkboxes, and other dynamic elements to create engaging and interactive posts that will captivate your readers. When you're satisfied with how your blog page or database looks, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of your Notion page. In the Share menu that appears, navigate to the Publish section and select Publish to Web. This action generates a unique, shareable link for your blog that you can distribute to your audience. Before sharing, you can decide whether to allow or disallow comments, editing, or even duplication of your blog as a template by others. Tailor these settings to fit how you want your readers to interact with your content. Finally, copy that web link and share it across social media platforms, via email, or any other way you prefer to connect with your audience. This makes your blog accessible to everyone you want to reach. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've built a personal blog in Notion, ready to engage your audience. Enjoy blogging with Notion, and don't hesitate to explore further customization options to make your blog truly unique. Happy blogging!